Hi children, today let us learn another, let's take two measurements here. One, taller, shorter. So we are going to learn today, observing the pictures, taller, shorter objects. When you talk about taller, shorter, when you stand in a line in your class, what will you say? Oh, she's taller. She's the tallest one. Let her go at the back. Taller girl. All shorter girls come in front. Yes? So, like that. When you arrange books in a shelf, taller books are put in one side on the right, left, and then shorter ones are put on the right. Yes? You arrange according to taller, shorter. Let us look at the pictures that I have for you and learn the measurement taller, shorter. Okay? Picture by picture, we will look. Now, let's look at our first picture and see for ourselves, taller, shorter. Look what you have here. Look into your garden. There are taller trees and shorter trees, if you notice. Yes? So, we will say in this picture, we have two trees, 1 and 2. This tree, this coconut tree or this palm tree is taller than this tree. Or you say, this tree is shorter than this tree. Okay, suppose this is the mango tree, then we say the mango tree is shorter than the palm tree. The palm tree is taller than the mango tree. Taller, shorter. Good. Now you know what is taller, shorter? The two measurements? Yes. Now just look at another picture and learn for ourselves. Look what we have. We have two boys here. This boy is taller. This boy is shorter. Then we say this boy is taller than this little boy. Or this little boy is shorter than this boy. Taller, shorter. If you say A and B, A, the tall boy A is taller than the short boy B. Or we say this boy B is shorter than this taller boy. Taller, shorter. Good. Let's take another picture. Look what we have here. Look, we have two animals here. We have a camel and we have a dog. We say the camel is tall and we say the dog is short. What will we say? The camel is taller than the dog. Or we say the dog is shorter than the camel. Taller, shorter. Taller animal, shorter animal. Or shorter animal and taller animal. Now you know? Yes, the two measurements, taller, shorter. Let's take another picture. Look what we have. Look, we have two horses here. One is tall and one is short. Yes, this horse is taller than this horse. Taller, shorter. This horse is shorter than this horse. Taller, shorter. Now you are understanding what is taller and shorter? Yes. Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. We have two ladders here. Who uses ladders? Yes, those who climb on the trees, on the electric pole, they use ladders or to climb onto the roof of the house. This ladder is taller than this ladder. Or you say this ladder is shorter than this ladder. Taller, shorter. Taller ladders are used for electricity board people to climb up and set right the electricity. Taller, shorter. Let's look at another picture and compare taller, shorter. Good. You have your dad and mom or uncle and aunt. Who is taller? Definitely the uncle is taller than the aunt. Taller. The man is taller, the lady is shorter. So we say the lady is shorter than the man. Or we say the man is taller than this lady. Third, taller, shorter. Let's go to another picture. Look what we have. We have a little girl and a little boy. The little girl is shorter than the little boy. Or we say the little boy is taller than the little girl. Taller boy, shorter girl. Or shorter girl, taller boy. Taller, shorter. Taller, shorter. Now you learned the measurements taller, shorter.